Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add filters to Canva video. So let's have a look now. At first, select the video clip and click on Edit Video from the toolbar. Then here you will find the filter option. Choose one based on your needs. You can also change the intensity of the filter. So that's it. It's that easy. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.